Kawings here again na babalik. Ayan, nice lang natin yung mic natin para madinig nyo, di ba? Yung magandang boses ko, Charis. Pero yan, ano nga ba ang ating topic for today? Hmm, Milo kayo dyan, guys. Milo. Milo to, Milo. Na may halong Ricoa. Baka naman Rico at saka Milo. Sponsorship tayo dyan. Charis. Pero yun, Milo at saka Ricoa. Darkness nung chocolate. Ano nga ba ang topic natin for today? Magandang umaga to everyone. And yeah, it's January 9 ang 2025. So, kamusta ang pangalawang linggo ng January? For everyone, kamusta naman? Kamusta naman ang 9 days in for January ng 2025? So, ayun, ako ay masaya. Sa akin naman, okay naman ako. I've enjoyed the things, what I'm doing currently. Etong ano bang topic natin? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero siguro, bakit ako gumagawa ng mga videos? Siguro yan na lang yung aking uh, ita-topic ngayon. Pero yun, again, thank you sa no copyright na ating BGM ng background music. Ilalagay ko siya sa ating description later para kung gagamitin nyo man yan, nandyan. Meron tayong reference for everyone who wants to use this non-copyrighted background music. Again, it's free and you should always credit your mga ginagamit nyo kasi you will gain a copyright strike or something na against rules and regulations ni YouTube. So yan lang. So ano nga ba ang topic? Sabi ko, bakit ako nagre-record ng video? Bakit ako nagpo-post ng video? For this one, as I have said from my previous times na nagsimula ako mag-record, um, gusto ko lang ulit bumalik for this kind of scene. Kasi dati, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nag-stream na ako. Pero hindi ako yung nag-stream na merong naka-show yung mukha and everything. I'm just streaming what I'm playing. And most of the time, ang nilalaro ko was Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, uh, Call of Duty Mobile, and merong mga card games, I remember. And I was using the platform of Omelette that time. Then, from that on, sabi ko, I'll try to, gusto ko sana maging, syempre, bakit ka nag-stream, gusto mong sumikat, gusto mong, um, in a way, yun yung gawin mong way of living. But the thing is, it was not enough for me, so nagkaroon ako ng day job. And then, nung nagkaroon ako ng day job, 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 job, eh, hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya mag-stream. Kasi, yan, busy sa work and everything. Then, nung time na yun, nag-stop ako. And, nung nag-stop ako, syempre, yung mga viewers and everyone, nung do sa community, that time, nagme-message na, uh, will I be returning sa scene and everything. Sabi ko, indefinitely, hindi ko pa sure and everything kung babalik ako mag-stream that time. Hindi naman ako sikat na sikat. Hindi ako sikat to be honest. Like, I've just got parang 10 to 100 viewers that time na hindi naman siya, hindi siya yung yung, hindi ko masabing legit. Hindi siya yung tuloy-tuloy na nanonood. May mga time na sisipot-sipot sila, papasok doon sila sa stream, tapos magchat-chat, "Hi, how are you? How's your day?" Mga ganyan-ganyan that time. So, yan. If you know Omelette, you should know na sobrang daling mag-gain ng followers doon. In a sense. Kasi meron silang mga pa-event dati na if you follow this, you need to follow this mga parang streamers. Hindi naman sinasuggest ko sino. Uh, you should follow uh, three streamers for this day and then you gain something in return na meron silang tawag dito, meron silang in-game token nila, parang ganun, or token nila within the streaming platform na in which you can buy yung mga effects, like yung mga borders na ano stream, or yung mga chat bubble, yan, mga yan, meron yung mga pang-upgrade ng viewership, yung panghatak ng tao. So they have that kind of rewards for the people using the platform, in which it's a nice mechanic in a sense na everyone is growing their followers, and everyone is also having this reward na they can use within the platform. So yun lang ang tanda ko, hindi ko sure kung may omelet pa or nag-fall off na siya. Hindi ko pa siya na-check ulit, pero I'm not sure. Then that time, sabi ko, I'll try to, bago ako tumigil, sabi ko, mag-open ako ng Facebook page and I'll transfer my viewership to Facebook. Pero that time, hindi ko na siya nagawa. Kasi masyado na akong naipit sa work in a sense, kasi I have a lot of responsibilities to attend to, like sabi ko nga sa inyo, I've handled tasks na kailangan talagang mag-focus ako, lalo na it's a QMS documentation in which uh, requirement for mga audits and everything, and yung mga pinapakitang documents natin if we're being audited. So ano nga ba yung reason ko bakit ako bumalik ulit? Hindi naman ako bumalik ulit. The reason for this kung bakit ako nagpakita na ng mukha, nag-stream and everything, kasi wala lang, for the sake of doing my own personal vlogs, my own personal diaries, and I see it parang to release my stress, to release yung mga hinanaing ko lang sa loobin ko. Kahit parang ano lang siya, my own confession box. 'Di ba? Yung parang sinasabi mo, ay, uy self, kamusta ka na? Uy self, how are you? Okay ka lang ba? Um, parang ganun. Ganun yung ano ko. dalawa na yun, sure. So, ilalagay ko parehas yun. So, yeah. So, ayun. Um, More on, parang makita ko lang kung ano yung nag-improve, what are the things. This very jolly and everything, nakasmile and everything, I would just parang magre-reset yung mukha ko like, okay, in general. So, ano pa ba? For today, like, ano ko rin, nakakatuwa lang. Kasi, yung, 'di ba, ang dami kong in-applyan. Ito, sharing na to. Industry. Ako, hindi ko naman na ano to. Sa ano ko lang to. Ito yung naiisip ko. If you want to grow aminin natin or hindi, YouTube is a business. There's a lot of people who's entering this space, YouTube space. Kasi try to do that using Canva. Canva, 'di ba? Wala akong skill sa edit. Few shoes. Hindi. Yung total lang nung laman nung ano ko, nung folder ko na nag-hold ng mga videos is a gig. hindi siya ano, um, mostly personalized talaga yung video na nakadikit sa akin. Walang halong AI. It is just me showing to you guys kung ano yung naiisip ko, sharing to you guys kung ano yung nasa sa loob ko. And space. I said earlier, syempre, manunulisit tayo. Charis. And yan, kahit okay lang naman kahit hindi kung pinapanood nyo lang for the sake of it. Yeah, you can go back to the videos and everything. I have already around 13 videos, 11 videos na talking about myself and everything. So, yeah, if you can relate sa mga sinasabi ko, good for you. Charis. Pero yan, if you want to suggest a video, um, if you want to say something, you can put down everything dyan sa comment section natin sa baba. But always remember guys, no profanities lang. This is a family-friendly channel. So ayan, again, thank you guys sa mga nanood. Thank you sa mga nakinig. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed and I hope everyone will have a very, very good day ahead of them. Again, this is Call Wings. Bye bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.